for this project, I went and bought, I wanted to do something for Christmas cards that were a little different without having to pay an exorbitant price for Christmas cards. So I went and bought this little notepad thing. Has 10 blank notes for $4, and I bought this stocking for $2, $3. And what I'm going to do is put a little Christmas hat on him like this. And I just cut out a shape with my scissors and used Elmer's glue to put it down, and cut out a little notch of white to use for the tussle. And there I have a creative Christmas card. It's inexpensive. It's just a small note card, but it still shows a little creativity. Real quick one. Go kiddos! Please subscribe and hit the like button to help support the channel. Thanks.